Good morning, everybody. We're going to do a beard wax basics video this morning. I actually have to get to work super soon. I'm not dressed or anything, so luckily, beard wax is not complicated stuff. So we've got some of our natural beard wax here, and we're just gonna show you guys how to apply it. So first of all, take your thumbnail. You want a real thin layer of this. I mean, you're going to need quite a bit, but you don't want a big chunk, right? So smashing up this leaf, well, you're going to have to do that eventually, is not necessarily what you should be doing to start off. So, all right, I don't know if you guys I've already worked some out of here, as you can see. You're going to take your thumbnail. I've got a real short thumbnail here, and you're just gonna get you some wax. And I've got a big beard, so I'm gonna grab quite a bit. Okay, but you're looking for like a dime-sized, nickel-sized piece, really. A bit more for mine. All right, so you're gonna put it in your palm, like so, and then just smooth it out. So smooth. This is the natural, so it's not the tacky. All right, start with your thumb, and then get both hands in there. Kind of like a balm, like a beard balm. You probably have beard balms that you use already, if you have a beard big enough for beard wax. And then we're gonna apply the wax just to the outside of the beard. Okay? The whole idea of beard wax is to keep those flyaways in check and just to kind of keep your beard together. So we're going to work it over the outside of the beard a little bit. I'm going to grab a bit more. Again, thumbnail. You want to break it up as you scrape it out. Okay. And then it's going to smooth out into kind of an oil in your hand. But remember, your beard is not the same temperature as your skin. So something that, is liquid in your hand is not going to be liquid on your beard. All right, and then I'm going to put some underneath. So again, to the outside of the beard. We don't need this all up on the inside of the beard. Okay, mustache out of the way. And then if I'm using like our tacky beard wax, I might hit it with some heat to lock it all in place. But with the natural, I'm just going to break out the very normal beard brush here. And we're just going to polish it up. So we're just going to bring it together. That wax is there to hold it all together. The purpose of a beard brush is to hold it all together. To smooth it all together, get everything going the right way. Maybe put our hand underneath here and there we go. What do I got here? It's just a sparkly bit of beard. It is just a sparkly little piece of beard I have. It's not glitter, I swear. Okay, so, ta-da! There, that is your beard wax basics video. You just scrape a thin layer out, smooth it out in your hand, put it on the outside of your beard. Now, you can run the container closed under hot water to warm it up if it is too firm for your nails, but it shouldn't be really. Or you can use a hair dryer to loosen it up. But again, that shouldn't really be necessary, at least not with Green Beard Grooming's beard wax, or mustache wax for that matter. You should be able to just scrape it out with your fingernail. You can do it, guys. I believe in you. All right. So again, just put the beard wax on the outside of the beard to keep those flyaways in check. And that's it. All right. I hope everyone has a tremendous week.